I am 7. My favorite sport is football. My name is Kido. I am 7 years old. I like to walk in nature. My favorite place in nature are mountains as High Tatras. My name is Kristinka Sabova and I am 8 years old. I go with horse walks on nature. My name is Dominika. I am 7. My name is Miško and I am 8 years old. My name is George. I'm 8. I'm like sport in nature.
My name is Eliška. I'm 8 years old. I like to have picnic in nature. My favorite place in nature are Rankovské hills.
My name is Marek Firkal. I am 7 years old. I like to red deer and brown deer.
Hello, my name is Simonka. Hello, my name is Dominika. Hello, my name is Ninka.
Hello, my name is Miško.
Hello, my name is Olivia. Hello, my name is Ninka. Hello, my name is Pačka. Hello, my name is Lily. Hello, my name is Simonka Kopešťanská.
My name is Maxine. I'm 7 years old. I like football. I like playing with Matthias.
My name is Nat.